Welcome back, children. Today we will study about plastid. Plastids are organelles which are found only in plant cells. Now, plastids are of three types. What are they? Chloroplasts, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Chloroplasts are green colored plastids. This green color is because of chlorophyll pigment. You know what is the use of chlorophyll pigment? Chlorophyll helps in photosynthesis. It helps in absorbing the solar energy and converting it into chemical energy. So the green color which you see in any part of a plant, that is because of chloroplast. Right? It is mainly involved in photosynthesis. It is green in color because of the presence of chlorophyll pigment. Next is chromoplast. All colored plastids except green. All colored plastids except green. They are called as chromoplast. So chromoplast helps in different coloration of various plant parts. Think of flowers, think of fruits, stem. You will find different color, red color, purple color, violet, orange, yellow, pink, blue, different colors. That is because of chromoplast. It contains various types of pigments, for example, carotene, xanthophyll, etc. etc. Last is leucoplast. Leucoplasts are colorless plastids. They are the colorless plastids. We call it colorless or white plastids. Its main function is storage. Storage of food in the form of starch, in the form of carbohydrate, in the form of essential oil, anything. So these three are various types of plastids and they are found only in plant cell. Now, plastid is also a two-membrane structure. Inside the plastid, there are various structures, especially stroma and grana. Now, stroma forms the inner matrix of the plastid, and grana appear like stacks of coins. This way. And each of these, they are called as thylakoid. It is these thylakoid which helps in absorbing solar energy and converting it into chemical energy. So this is the grana part. And around it, whatever is the matrix here, this is called as the stroma part. So this is a cross section of chloroplast. Got it? Next we come to vacuole. Now vacuoles are very prominent in plant cell. But if they are present in animal cell, I am saying if they are, that means vacuoles may be also absent in animal cell. But if they are present in animal cell, they are very, very small. Now in plant cell, vacuole is the main organelle which stores food in the form of starch, in the form of anything, solid, liquid, essential oil, even waste product is stored in the vacuole. The major constituent of vacuole is water, and it is the vacuole which gives rigidity to the cell. When the vacuole stores a lot of water, its size increases, and as a result, it exerts a pressure and the cell swells. On the other hand, if the vacuole shrinks, then the cell also shrinks. Now, this vacuole, if it is found, I told you vacuole is very prominent and very big in size in case of plant cell. But if in case of animal cell, they are very, very small in size. Now in case of animals, think of amoeba. This vacuole forms food vacuole. Means whenever any food particle enters the body of amoeba, it forms a vacuole which is called as food vacuole. There it is digested, and whatever excretory substance is formed, that is thrown out of the body and the food is absorbed. In some other organism, there is another type of vacuole found in case of animals. That is called as contractile vacuole. This contractile vacuole found in amoeba, found in paramecium, it helps in osmoregulation. Means excess water and salt inside the body is thrown out with the help of this contractile vacuole. So contractile vacuole helps in maintaining the salt concentration inside the cell, also helps in maintaining the water balance inside the cell. Clear, children? So we have covered all the parts of the cell, from cell wall to cell membrane to cytoplasm, and all the cell organelles which are required in your syllabus. In our next class, I will give you few diagrams. One diagram I have given you today, that is of nucleus. Few more diagrams I will give you, which you need to draw in your biology copy and practice as much as possible. You will also have to write down the question answers which are given within the chapter. You will find in blue color in-text questions. Those answers you have to write by yourself, as well as the questions which are given in the exercise. Clear, children? So you will have to write all the question answers both in text as well as questions given in the exercise in your biology copy. Don't write anything on the blank page. Don't write on the first page of the copy. As you open your copy, don't write anything on the first page. Leave the first page, start writing from the second page. Right? And don't write anything on the blank page. Blank page is only for diagram. And whenever you will draw diagram, always use pencil. Even for labeling or for drawing. So both for labeling as well as for drawing, you must use pencil. You should not use pen. Thank you.